Hey family, we have another order from the boys. As I stated in my other videos, I had ordered some tennis shoes from the boys for Angel, and I inadvertently ordered the wrong color, and I was going to order her a pair in black. So these are them because that's the only other order I have coming in. They are from the same vendor as the green ones. Remember, I ordered a pair of beige ones that were like, and then I did not post that link because I'm not going to post a link where I don't think the shoes are of good quality. Because if you order off my link, I want you to get good quality. So let's go ahead and open these right now. Okay, so here they are. And this time they are black. Like I said before, I ordered the wrong color. But she loves both of them. She has been wearing both of those since she got them. Now, here we go. Quality. Look at that. Look at this cloth. It's very stiff and structured. It's very soft. It's very cushiony on the inside. There's the bottom of it. I know she is going to love these. And her best friend actually has, I think, a real pair. And I told her mom, girl, you better start ordering from the boys. I think she said she paid $80 for hers. Yeah, we ain't paying that. So these are cute. She is going to absolutely love these. So let's call her downstairs. Today's Martin Luther King Day, so she's home and it's freezing outside in Houston anyway. So let's call her downstairs. Angel! Come here, I got something for you. I have something for you. Dun, 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 dun.
I knew there were shoes somewhere.
You knew?
Yes, because I was like, because when you were sitting down on the couch and there was a package, I was like, I know there's shoes that look like a pack of shoes.
What do you think of those?
Now I'm probably going to be matching with Journey.
Exactly. I said your best friend has a pair. Yeah, so now you guys can match together. What do you think?
Like them.
Like
They're
them?
greasy.
Yeah. So now how many pair do you have?
6.
6 pair of tennis shoes? So you a sneakerhead now?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, you think so? But you like them though? Yeah? Okay, let's try them on. How do they fit?
Good.
Good? You have room?
Yep.
All right. Yay. So you're going to be matching with Journey, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, awesome. All right. Cool, cool, cool.